Did you know that Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after the age of 50? That's right, compounding, patience, and smart investing played a huge role in his success. But here's the question: can regular people like you and me follow his footsteps and grow our portfolios too? Well, today, I'm diving into the 10 golden rules of investing, inspired by Warren Buffett, to see if applying these principles can help me and maybe you build wealth. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Warren Buffett is a household name in the world of investing, often called the Oracle of Omaha. He's one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth that's consistently among the top in the world. But what makes Buffett truly extraordinary is his investment philosophy: simple, practical, and effective. Today, I'll try to apply his 10 golden rules of investing to see if I can grow my portfolio. These aren't just rules for billionaires. They're lessons that anyone can use, whether you're investing $100 or $100,000. Let's dive into the challenge. Now, let's be real, investing can feel intimidating. Here are some common challenges new investors face. Lack of knowledge. Not everyone knows where to start or what to invest in. Fear of loss. The stock market can feel risky, especially when you hear about market crashes. Emotional decision-making. Ever panicked during a dip or bought a stock just because it was trending? Sound familiar? I've been there too. But this is where Warren Buffett's golden rules come into play. These principles are designed to help us overcome these challenges and make smarter, more confident decisions. Are you ready to learn what they are? Alright, let's break down Warren Buffett's 10 golden rules of investing with real-world examples. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule number 1. Buffett emphasizes preserving capital. It's better to avoid losses than to chase risky gains. Invest in what you understand. He advises sticking to industries or companies you truly understand. For example, he's always avoided tech stocks he didn't grasp. Think long-term. Buffett once said, if you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Patience is key. Compounding takes time. Buffett didn't rush, he waited for the right opportunities. Buy quality businesses at a fair price. Buffett looks for undervalued, high-quality companies. Coca-Cola is one of his famous investments. During market downturns, Buffett sees opportunities. Just because everyone's investing in something doesn't mean it's a good idea. Always evaluate what a business is truly worth before investing. Reinvesting dividends and profits helps your portfolio grow faster. Buffett spends hours reading and believes in lifelong learning. If I had to pick one rule that can be a game changer, it's this: think long-term. Too often, we get caught up in short-term gains or panic during market dips. But Buffett's wealth was built by letting investments grow over decades. This one rule alone can transform the way you invest, helping you stay focused on the bigger picture. Let's quickly recap the 10 golden rules of investing. 1. Never lose money. 2. Invest in what you understand. 3. Think long-term. 4. Patience is key. 5. Buy quality businesses. 6. Be fearful when others are greedy. 7. Avoid the crowd. 8. Focus on intrinsic value. 9. Reinvest profits. 10. Learn every day. Mastering these principles takes time, but even applying a few of them can make a huge difference in your investment journey. So, which of these golden rules do you think is the most important? Or, is there one you already use that's helped you succeed? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing tips and insights. Let's grow our portfolios together. See you in the next one.